Aloha, welcome to the 5 to 4s with
Patrick, how are you doing?
and Doña. And today we go ahead, not like the boring cage system we did last week. Today we do box shape for minor scale. So, Patrick, tell me the secret formula to produce the minor scale because we did it already with the major.
Ooh. So it's not really a secret. Oh, do you think it's a secret? It's not a secret.
No, it's not a
So,
secret.
so it doesn't matter. So just let us tell you how it works. So, but I would prefer that you start with the first thing on maybe the first scale here, and I show everybody how does the thing works here on
On the
the
higher layer.
higher, yeah, right.
Yeah, but maybe it makes more sense to show it first at one string for the formula
Yeah.
before we hop on the box shapes.
Okay, on one string, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
So the formula you wanted to tell, and I can demonstrate it parallel on the strings.
Okay, cool. So, start with your root.
In this case, an E.
Yeah, this is an E. So you have the baritone. This is my tenor. So don't have the E here. So you started with the root. After
E,
the root,
open string.
open string. Yeah. So you need the tone,
F sharp, second
right?
fret.
Semitone,
G, third fret.
tone. Yeah. Tone,
A, fifth fret.
tone again.
Seventh fret. B,
Right. Semitone,
C,
tone,
D,
and you end on the tone again. Awesome.
So maybe for those who do not know it, I think it's pretty easy if you remember it like this: open string and then the fingers 2, 3, 5, and you slide up to the seventh fret and do the same: 2, 3, 5, and a slide up to the 12th. So we have
Right.
root, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone.
Cool. Yeah.
So, and we have a box shape system. Oopsie. Okay, sometimes you have to be an idiot.
No, it's okay. So now you can show it, right. So you had maybe 40 trials. So
Okay, again. Then.
yeah, that's it. So and you can the same part you can do like here on the upper fret. So for example, I have my on the fifth fret I have my C and my D on the seventh fret, for example. Yeah. So here it's so I start on my G string or G string if you have a baritone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. and and now I want to use all four strings. Yeah, so I have the seventh fret, ninth, 10. So I jump over to the next string, and we have the same pattern: 7, 9, 10. Right. So and now you used index finger, middle finger, index finger, ring finger, and pinky for your third string. And now use your middle finger for the 8th fret, pinky for 10, next string, index finger, 7th fret, middle finger on the 8th fret, and 10 with your pinky.
For the D.
for the
So
D.
I can do another thing that I can slide up to the tenth and end the whole scale.
Right, there's
Yes.
another D.
But if you have a soprani and you want to study or learn it, I think soprani end at the 12th or 14th fret, or?
Yeah, so it's unfortunately not possible to play over your fretboard. Yeah,
Yes.
so it's it's no problem for your if you have a baritone or a tenor, so it's possible.
Okay, so maybe I show up from the third fret, in this case the BB or A sharp, the box shape that the people can see, that you use your ring finger, then you start with your index, then middle, then pinky, the same shape down, so that you have the A minor box shape. So without, like I showed at the beginning, is that you have this shape. And now you can repeat in the upper layer the same shape
Yeah,
again.
yeah. So you have it here and start with your index finger.
And you use the formula tone, semitone, tone,
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 semitone, tone, tone,
semitone, tone,
semitone.
tone.
Tone. Right. Yeah.
Okay, so this is perfect. I think there should be a routine, and the best routine the people can do for our next tutorial to practice it as a homework for the E minor shape.
Yeah.
So figure out where you have to start with the E to play those shapes, or just one shape.
Okay. So everybody will be busy.
Everybody will be busy so that we can go ahead for the next tutorial for chord melody for the Andalusian progression.
Yeah. So
Enjoy, see you next, and maybe the next tutorial without confusing, but we are only humans and we are perfect for making mistakes.
that sounds good. So see you next week.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Yeah.